Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to stop a recurring task in Clickup quickly and correctly. Recurring tasks are extremely useful for routines, reminders, weekly check-ins, and ongoing workflows, but there are times when you no longer need a task to repeat. Maybe the project is ended, the workflow has changed, or you simply want to clean up your workspace and avoid unnecessary task duplication. Whatever the reason, Clickup makes it pretty simple to stop a recurring task once you know where the setting is located. In this tutorial, I'll walk you through the entire process step by step so you can confidently remove recurring settings without accidentally affecting the rest of your workspace. So let's get started. First, open your preferred web browser and go to clickup.com. Log into your account if you are not already signed in. Once you enter your workspace, navigate to the specific space, folder, or list where your recurring task is located. This step matters because recurring settings are attached directly to individual tasks, not to the entire workspace. That means you need to open the exact task that contains the recurring schedule you want to remove. Take a moment to locate the correct task before making any changes. If you manage multiple recurring tasks with similar names, it's a good idea to double-check the task title and details first so you don't accidentally edit the wrong one. Once you find the task, click on it to open the Task Details panel. Inside the task window, direct your attention near the top section where you normally see the due date field. Go ahead and click directly on the due date. This will open the scheduling menu and date selector used for deadlines, reminders, and recurring task settings. Now look carefully toward the lower left area of the date selector window. You'll see an option labeled Recur. Click on that option to open the Recurring Settings panel. This is where Clickup controls how often the task repeats and what conditions trigger future task instances. Inside the recurring settings area, you may see options like daily, weekly, monthly, yearly, or even custom schedules depending on how the task was originally configured. For example, some recurring tasks may repeat every weekday, every Friday afternoon, or after a task is completed. Now, from the available options, select Don't Recur. As soon as you click this option, Clickup removes the recurring schedule tied to that task. This means the task will stop generating future recurring instances moving forward. The current task itself will remain in your workspace like a normal one-time task, but no additional repeated copies will be created after this point. To make the process smoother, here are a few helpful tips. First, always confirm that you're editing the correct task before removing recurring settings. Second, check whether any automations or workflows depend on that recurring task setup. In some teams, recurring tasks trigger notifications, status changes, or connected automations, so removing recurrence could impact those workflows. Third, if you don't immediately see the changes update, refresh the page or reopen the task to verify the settings were saved correctly. Once you've selected Don't Recur, simply click outside the date selector window to save your changes. Clickup usually saves this automatically, so there's no separate save button required in most cases. After that, the task will behave like a regular task with no future recurrence attached to it. It's also a smart idea to review your upcoming tasks or calendar view afterward to make sure no extra recurring copies are still scheduled. This gives you a quick confirmation that everything worked correctly. Another useful tip is to periodically review recurring tasks inside your workspace, especially for older projects. Over time, recurring reminders and repeated tasks can pile up and clutter your workspace if they're no longer needed. Keeping them organized helps maintain a cleaner and more efficient workflow for both you and your team. And that's all there is to it. You've now learned how to stop a recurring task in Clickup step by step so you can better manage your schedules, reduce clutter, and keep your workspace organized. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.